Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I am back with another mystery unboxing, and it is from a company that I have unboxed before. It is, get ready for this, it's the Bam Box again, but this time it is the Geek edition. So in my last video I unboxed the Bam Box Horror, where I got a Halloween signed print, Midsummer's something sign art. There's quite a few good things in there. I got the key from Skeleton Key. There's quite a few good items in there, to be honest. But this one is the Bam Geek. Now, this was ordered at the same time as a Bam Horror, but due to the delivery process and the times that it was sent out, this one arrived obviously a lot later, along with my next season of Bam Horror. So, I have no clue what the themes are in this box. I know that a lot of people like to check, but for me I want to keep it a complete surprise because I want to know if I can guess what it is or can I make out what they are. I think it's nicer for me to do it that way, and then I'll always check at the end, obviously with the cheat sheet, and find out what items are what. Now, the Bam Box is an American company. They are absolutely fantastic. They offer a range of boxes. You've got your Bam Geek, you've got your Bam Horror, you've got your Bam Gamer. They sometimes do like a Bam Anime. They do Ultra boxes where you pay a little bit extra. So they normally differ from around anywhere like 75 to 150. But you do get better quality items. The signed autograph will be from a celebrity who charges more, so you do get your money's worth. Now, that's the thing with Bam boxes. Every box you are guaranteed an authenticated autograph, so you get the authentication certificate with it. It's signed by a celebrity, so it's a really nice option that they do these boxes, because it's hard to find a box where you're going to get a guaranteed celebrity autograph that's authenticated as well. So it's really nice that it's all in one box. Now, you tend to get inside each box a pin, the autograph and art print, and sometimes a prop. So we shall see what's in here. Now, they do offer as well every so often a special little addition to the boxes where you might get a signed prop instead of a signed print. You might get a signed Funko Pop. So it's really nice that they offer that as well. Now, Bam boxes also offer level ups. So with that, you may have a signed print or the art print that is a little bit different to the other Bam boxes. So that's really nice that they do that as well. It's a very rare thing. It's only so many in every Bam box that has them. But they also as well have little scratch cards. Now, this I love. And I actually now, since my last video, I know someone that has won on these scratch cards. So they do have winners on them. But the scratch card, you can get things like level up for the next box, or things like a sign art print. You can win anything to like PlayStations. Like it's really across the board of what you can get. So let's get straight into it. It's enough chatter. I'm really excited to get into this box. So yeah, they do come from America, guys. So regarding shipping, it can take a while. These got dispatched beginning of the month, and it's now 25th of September. So you are looking at quite a big time gap, but obviously you have to give that because of everything that's going on as well, and they're coming from America. So it's a difficult time at the moment to have an estimated delivery time, because it's just everything's all over the shop. Oh, right. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. There's no cover on this. They normally put a cover on their Bam boxes. So normally you can't actually see, but it's not on this one. So yeah, Bam Geek can be anything. I've seen people grab things from like, oh, so many different things. Goonies, Neverending Story. Wow, so many amazing things. Okay, we'll pull this out first because this feels huge. So yeah, these ships come to around about £30, I believe, shipped. So it's actually really good pricing, especially if it's coming from America and you get guaranteed an autograph. I think it's about £36, but that's incredible because you are guaranteed that's not the word, is it, Chelsea? You are guaranteed a signed auto, so that pretty much pays for the box, and everything else is just kind of like nice little extras. Right, so I'll get rid of that bag. So this is a hat. Let's see. Oh! there we go. The signed item is not a print. The autograph is on the hat. What the hell? I was not expecting that. What? I thought this one had a signed... I genuinely thought this one had a signed printing. Oh, this is amazing. So this is from the Sandlot, and it is signed. Look at that. This is so cool. I don't want to wear it because I don't want to get any makeup on it. But I absolutely love that. And then at the back here, we have got the Beckett authentication. So with these guys, you can log on to the Beckett website and put the authentication code in. It'll prove that it's an authenticated autograph. This is so strange. Oh my god. I'm gutted that I pulled this out first because I thought this was just a prop. Wow. I'm super impressed. So it is from the Sandlot, which it says on the side there. But there we go. What an awesome first item to pull out. I'm gutted that I didn't pull that out last, but I might as well have a quick look down now so I know what I'm pulling out next. Oh! I'm so excited I ever get this. I have got a level up, level up. Now the level up, it says what I was literally saying to you guys, that one of the items in your box is a variant. This means that there are fewer made than the regular item. Please check your insert to see which one you got. And this is box 8. So BamBox 8. Geek 8 anyway. This is amazing. Right. Scratch card. Let's scratch it off. I doubt I'm going to have anything. Do you know that I absolutely hate using my fingernails to scratch off scratch cards. I hate it. Yeah, no win for me, but I'll show you what they can offer. So here we go. So I've obviously not won this one, but it's a match 3 of the same symbols. And if you match them, you would have got a 4K telly, a free Bam Big Box, or a celebrity signed autograph. So anyone who wins them, you can... that's what I said when there are quite a few options of different prizes that you can get. It's really, really good. Right, let's look at the pin. Oh, that's nice. Now, for me, the BamBox pins are like the best things I've ever seen. Look at that. I'm going to get it out of the packet so I can show you guys in detail as well. Look at that. What a beauty. They are so big. So that's like my normal finger size. They're so big that they need 2 pins at the back. But that is beautiful. I love that. It's a fan art pin, so it's a limited release. That's what else I like about these BamBoxes, is that the limited pin releases. So once this box has been sold and gone, which it has now, because obviously mine's a little bit delayed due to shipping. Once they've gone, you can't get these pins again. So it's literally Bam exclusive, which is what I love. Right, I'm going to show you the signed fan art card. Oh, it's scary. This isn't supposed to be horror. It's just supposed to be a geek. But that's quite scary. Oh, I'm not a fan. I do like it. That art's incredible. But how scary. And then on the back it says, congratulations, this is an authentic Bam fan art card featuring a unique sketch from one of our featured artists. The card is part of a set of 2 and a bigger set of 12. So this one is 203 out of 2,500. So that's really nice. That's a lovely art print. I love that they have the art prints, like a fan art print in each box. I really like that. I think that's a lovely addition. Right. Oh, okay. So this is a prop. So this is the prop here. We've got like a little case. Wow. That is super cool. That is awesome. Look at the detail on that. Wow. I am super impressed with that. The only thing is, the detail's incredible. But now I've looked at it properly, I have a bit of a thing with seeing holes. So it's a bit like trypophobia, but not as strong as a phobia, but it just makes me feel a bit uncomfortable looking at it. But wow, that's amazing. Oh, can't look at it for much longer though. And it says on the back, no matter who you are, you will always be a bammer. I thought it said bummer then, I was like, I'm not down. But that is super cool, and I love that comes in a case. That's gorgeous. I'm so happy with that. That's beautiful. Right, we've got one more thing left. Ah, there's a little Beckett certificate that fell out. There we go. So that's my little Beckett certificate for the autograph, but it fell out of the box, so I couldn't see it. But that just tells you that it's authenticated, and that's the code, and then how you can go find out and search for it to make sure it's authenticated, really. Right, here we go. Final one. This is very nice. This might be my level up. Oh, is it? Is it my level up? I think it is my level up. Here we go. So this is the artist print. This is amazing. I love this. And then on the back, there you go. So that gives your certificate of authenticity from BAM Authentication. And it says the same thing here. This fan art print from our fan art collection is exclusive to BamBox and is being hand signed by the artist. It is guaranteed to be authentic. You can check this by going on bamauthentic.com and using the corresponding box number. So there we go. That's a beautiful print. Gorgeous detail. Gorgeous. Right. So here is the cheat sheet. So here we go, let's have a look. Volume 5, Box 8. You're killing me, Smalls. Summer's ending and we're deciding what better way to celebrate some staples of summertime, baseball and movies, than going back to the Sandlot. We're proud to bring you a box with one of our favourite signed props ever. So, the fan art print, The Wild Stallions Return. So that's this one. It's been 29 years since the last Bill and Ted, so we had the honour, to honour their return in Face the Music. This righteous art print from D McAdam is just what we hope for. And be sure to check if you're one of the lucky ones who got a variant print. Dude. I love that. So I think... Let me try and... Yes, this is definitely a level up. Wow. Because there are only 500 limited pieces in this. Yep, so that's my level up, which is awesome. I am very, very, very happy about that. Right, moving on to the next one. So the fan art print, which is this one. Fan art print, what am I talking about? Fan art pin, idiot. Which is that one here. It says, we've been waiting for New Mutants to come out and show us a darker side of the X-Men universe. So we asked Brian Romero to give us a crossover pin set with the horror box. Here we're pleased to bring you this Cannonball, Wolfsbane, and the rest of the team in horror box. There we go. I love that. That's really, really nice. So then we have got the Artist Select card, which is the normal one, yeah. In part 2 of this Wonder Woman card set, Jason Miller bought us the Cheetah. Pair her against Wonder Woman for a true, what's it say? Amazonian jewel. There we go. So that's really cool. Love that. And then the prop replica, which is this one here. We are huge fans of sci-fi series Altered Carbon on Netflix, so when we got the chance to grab some cortical stacks, we jumped at it. We just wonder whose mind is stored in this one. I mean, it could be mine because I'm not getting my words out today. So, and then finally, guys, we have got the celebrity autograph, which is here. Hurry up, Benny, my clothes are going out of style. We are excited to bring you a signed cap from Squints himself. This item is sure to delight any fan of the Sandlot. There we go, guys. So I am super, super pleased with this box. I am really happy and I'm over the moon about it. Yeah, I'm so happy. It's amazing. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. What I will do is I'm going to attach BamBox's website. So if you want to go check that out, which I suggest you do, go do that. But also keep an eye out, guys, because when they have run out of their boxes, that's it. They'll put a cap on it because there are only so many of each box. So make sure to go check it out. But thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, a lovely like, a lovely comment, and a lovely subscribe would be absolutely amazing. I will also attach my Instagram and my Patreon account in the bio. So if you want to go check that out, then do feel free. You can ask me any questions on my Instagram or via my email. But thank you, guys, so much for watching. And most importantly, everybody, stay safe and I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys.